In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change your rear differential fluid. If you don't have a drain plug, you do not have to take off that rear differential cover. I'm going to show you how to swap out your fluid with an oil transfer pump. There's a couple little tricks on how to do it, and it's really easy. Let's go ahead and get started. Now underneath the vehicle, right in front of the spare tire, which is right here, is your differential. Now you'll notice this one has no drain plug, which isn't going to be a problem. Right here is the fill plug. So if you do have a drain plug, all the power to you, congratulations. But you definitely want to remove the fill plug first. You definitely don't want to drain the fluid and then find out you can't get the fill plug out. So we just need a 3/8 ratchet to take out the fill plug. Once you get your fill plug out, on this one there is a magnet on the end. So you'll see some metal shaving. You just want to clean all that off. I have a battery powered transfer pump. You can get an electric one as well, but you can just use like a golf cart battery, a lawnmower battery, or I have this spare boat battery. As you can see, I have my hose coming out of the pump, going into this container, and I just have it zip tied right there so it doesn't move. Then on this side of the pump, I have my hose going up into the differential. And now I'm going to turn it on, and I'm just kind of going to poke that hose in and out, make sure I can feel the bottom of the differential, and just suck all the fluid out. So after 2.5 minutes, I got all of the fluid out. The easiest way to put this fluid in is just using a little manual fluid transfer pump. The spare tire does give you a little less clearance. No reason to take the spare tire off when you can use a little transfer pump like this. So we're going to put in 1.5 quarts or until it just starts to run out the fill hole. So you're going to want to put just a little bit of this Permatex Ultra Gray gas maker on the threads and then thread it in. Tighten the fill plug to 24 foot-pounds. Now clean off all the fluid with some brake cleaner. Make it nice and clean, and then tomorrow sometime or after about 50 miles you could check and make sure there's no leaks. And that's all there is to it, guys. This job's complete and this vehicle's ready to hit the road. I'll put links in the description below on how to buy everything off Amazon, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.